Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your printer is showing an error state message and not printing, don't panic. In this video, I'll guide you through the most effective way to fix the printer error state issue on both Windows 11 and Windows 10. This problem usually occurs due to pending print jobs, a faulty Print Spooler service, or outdated or corrupted printer drivers. Let's solve the printer not printing issue step by step. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. First, open the Start menu, type Services, and launch the Services app. In the Services list, locate Print Spooler. Right-click on Print Spooler and select Stop. Keep the Services window open for now. Next, open File Explorer. Go to your main system drive, usually C, then open the Windows folder. Scroll down and open the System32 folder. Now scroll and double-click on the Spool folder. Then open the Printers folder. Inside this folder, delete all the files you see. These files are stuck print jobs that often cause the printer error state issue on Windows systems. Once everything is deleted, close File Explorer and return to the Services window. Right-click on Print Spooler again and choose Start. Now, right-click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to Bluetooth and Devices, then click on Printers and Scanners. Locate your printer and remove it from the list. After removing it, download and install the latest printer driver from the official manufacturer's website and reconnect your printer. After completing all these steps, the printer error state issue should be resolved and your printer should work normally again. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more printer fixes and Windows troubleshooting tutorials.